Welcome to the Typewriter Diary. My name is Jack. I'm 52 years old, a published writer. I prefer the word writer over author because you can write most things that are not fictional. I did stop writing in 2022 after the COVID lockdown, and I've spent the last 3 years in the wilderness of YouTube doing vlogging. I've decided to go back to typing my life on one of my ever-growing collection typewriters. So I have an Olympia 1956 typewriter, which is great. It's portable and I can take that on airplanes. I also have a 1976 Elder Gabrielle 2000 typewriter, which is an electric one. It's a bit temperamental, that typewriter, but it is nice and fast. And I brought one last week off Amazon called the Royal Classic, which has got a little bit of problems with the type head. But anyway, we'll talk about that another day. I follow my manifesto in living authentically, and how to be the best person I can possibly be is simple, and is what the diary vlogs on this channel will be focusing on. So here is my manifesto for living authentically. You don't owe anyone an explanation for your boundaries, your dreams, or your pace. The ones that get offended by your no are often the ones who benefit from your silence. You're not here to live the life someone else planned for you, or keep doing things just because you've always planned or always done it that way. You don't need to burn down all to start over. Anything small, honest choice will change anything. No city, relationships or career can fix what you're avoiding inside. Just remember, your true growth in life is always within inside your mind. So stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlighted reel. So many people copy what they see on social media these days, and that's what's affecting a lot of people's minds. Life is not a project with deadlines. It's a slow unfolding scene by scene. Sometimes simply surviving is quite literally the win. Sometimes coming back to where you started is not a failure. It's part of the path. It's part of the journey you're on. So be gentle with yourself and with others. You never know what battle someone's fighting or how hard it was for them just to show up. And you never know when someone comments on your video how tough that was for them to say. They may not mean you malice. They may not mean you harm. Your journey does not need to be loud or fast. It just needs to be your journey. So let go of pretending. It's okay to be weird. It's okay to be soft. You can be brave when you need to be. Say no or say yes when it's real. You don't have to wait for permission to be happy. You're allowed to want more and you're allowed to rest. This is your life. Make it feel like it. That's the manifesto that I'm following for this channel. And if you want to join me on the journey, remember to subscribe. Thank you, people.